Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two simple steps on how to fix your Gmail account while auto sign out or while auto logged out in your Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the bottom search bar, type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please wait until a best match would appear before we can proceed. Once it's here, you can double tap to it so that you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser. Now here at the Google Chrome browser, please close this first browser so that we can focus on the second, okay? So by here, please navigate to this right side of the screen, at the upper right side of the screen, you can see the three dots. So please click on it to control and customize Google Chrome, and please scroll down and locate with this help, which has this question mark icon. The moment you locate your cursor here, you will be able to open up this left window. Please click on About Google Chrome. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be redirected to a new window, okay, which is your Chrome settings help. Now, eventually, your Google Chrome or your window will automatically detect if your Chrome is up to date. However, if you, in your case, it's not up to date, don't worry because your window will automatically update your Google Chrome. You just have to wait until the process will be finished. And once you're done, please proceed to the second method. The second method would be we need to navigate at the left pane. You can see there privacy and security. Please click on it. The moment you bring up the privacy and security, you need to scroll down and locate with this option called site settings. And under the site settings, you need to scroll down. Okay. And from here, please proceed on this additional content settings and please scroll down. Okay, and locate for on-device site data. So please click this forward arrow. And under your default behavior, you need to make sure that this one is turned on. Allow sites to save data on your device. Because one of the factor why you face an error is that, why you face an error, which is your Gmail will automatically sign out or will automatically logged out, is that this one has been on or either this one. So it is very important to turn this first on as your default behavior, which is allow sites to save data on your device. Once you have turned it on, please relaunch your Windows again. Your Google Chrome, sorry for that, and try to sign in your Gmail again. I'm sure it will not be automatically signed out or logged out anymore this time on. Okay? So by that, please close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.